Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and C Programming for Beginners series. This is the second part of data types in C. This video is the continuation to the previous video, data types part 1, where we had seen the classification of data types in C. So here we'll be seeing more about the basic data types. We had seen that data types are classified as primary data types, derived data types, and user-defined data types in C programming. And also primary data types are subdivided into int, float, char, and void. We'll have a discussion on these basic data types in this video. The first basic data type is integer type. Int is for integer numbers which consist of whole numbers. Whole numbers are positive numbers, negative numbers, and 0. Integers do not have any decimal values. Some of the example for integer numbers is say 0. 0 is an integer number, minus 15 a negative number is an integer number, 25 a positive number is an integer number, 1590. So these are some of the examples of integer numbers. Then how to declare an integer variable? We have seen in the syntax of a variable declaration, it has data type and followed by the variable name. So here the data type is int, give int followed by the variable name. So the variable name can be anything, say age. Similarly, you can have int roll number. So here the data type is int, age and roll number are the variables of type integer which can hold only positive numbers, negative numbers or 0. Integer do not have any decimal values. Next we have float. If you want to use decimal values or the real numbers, then you can go for float data type. Some of the examples of float data type are 2.142, say 5.69, 86.34. So these are some of the examples of float data type which has the decimal values. Then how to declare the variables of float data type? The data type is float followed by the variable name. Salary is the variable of type float. Similarly, you can have float interest. Here interest is the variable of type float. So after int, float, next we have character data type, char. So if you want to deal with characters, then you can make use of char data type. It stores a single character and the size required here is of 1 byte. So some of the examples of character data type are A. So A is a character and characters are always enclosed within single quote. Similarly, you can have any capital letter enclosed within single quotes. A single character enclosed within single quotes is a char. In the same way, you can also have for some special symbols and also 1. So all these are examples of characters which are enclosed within single quote. Then how to declare a character is the data type char and a variable name. Data type char and a variable name. So in the same way you can also have char value. So in this way you can declare character data types. After character we had seen one more data type called as void. Void means nothing, no value. It is usually used to specify the return type of a function. So when a function is not returning anything, when a function returns nothing, in that case, function return type will be void. And one more thing to remember, you cannot have variables of void data type. So that was all about the basic data types. Again, we have derived data types and user-defined data types like arrays, pointers, structures, union, and enum. So what do you mean by derived data type is data types derived from the basic data types. Here we are not going to create any new data type. instead adding some additional functionality to the basic data types and using it in our program. So such data types are called as derived data types. So this was all about the data types in C, its classification and some related information. Do like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.